Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by connecting physical pieces. First, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the Apple TV and the other into a free HDMI input on your TV. This sends video and audio. Next, connect Apple TV to power. Make sure the outlet is live. If you prefer stable internet, plug an Ethernet cable now, otherwise plan to enter Wi-Fi credentials later. Once done, turn on the TV and select the matching HDMI input so you see the Apple TV setup screen. With the Apple TV screen visible, press any button on the Siri remote to pair. You may be prompted to bring your iPhone close to transfer settings, which speeds things up. Then choose language and region so menus read correctly. Make sure to join your Wi-Fi network by entering SSID and password, or verify Ethernet shows connected. This enables the App Store and streaming. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to access purchases and iCloud. This step ties your content and recommendations to you. Finish by customizing settings. Enable Siri, choose whether to share analytics, and turn on automatic updates so software stays current. Open the App Store, download the streaming apps you use, and play a short clip to verify audio and video sync. If you don't see a picture or hear sound, make sure the TV input matches the HDMI port, reset the HDMI cable, and try restarting the Apple TV and the television. If problems persist, try a different HDMI cable or HDMI port to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.